Y'all, YouTube is on easy mode right now. If you're not on it, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to make money online. It is easier than ever to get monetized, grow your channel, and turn your knowledge into actual cash, y'all. YouTube is paying creators. If you know something valuable, you should be packaging it up and selling it online. So let me break it down for you. So the reason why YouTube is on easy mode right now, because YouTube has changed from what it used to be years ago. People are making money without the crazy editing and all the fancy equipment. Guys, you do not need any of that. You can literally pull out your phone. If you have a phone, you have lighting. If you don't have lighting, get in natural light. All the extra cameras, equipment, editing, transitions, none of that matters right now. Not one thing. So YouTube pays for views, but the real money comes when you selling your own digital products, guys. And the reason why is because when you monetize that channel, you're going to get paid for the views you get on the videos. But when you incorporate your knowledge into a digital product and you start marketing and selling that on your channel, that is how you're actually going to be getting paid. That is exactly what I did, and my channel is growing so well. I've been able to sell my digital products on my channel and just monetize my whole entire platform, guys. And I'm here right now giving y'all the tips, the tricks, the secrets, and all of the hacks to actually grow your channel and actually learn how to market digital products on your YouTube channel. So the steps to get started: you need to pick a niche. What do you know and what do you love talking about? Whatever it is you know, if you have knowledge in it and you love talking about it, you passionate about it, and you can talk about it all day and teach it, that is your niche. Pick a niche. The only thing is you want to make sure you pick something that is profitable. You can easily search that on Google. Pick a niche that is profitable right now. Set up your YouTube channel. Don't overthink it. Just set up your channel based around your niche and just get going. Forget the fancy equipment and all the edits and the production and the whole setup that you see some people still talking about on YouTube. Forget all of that, because that's just going to hold you back if you don't have it. Pull out your phone. If you have a camera, pull that out, set it up, and talk like you're talking on FaceTime to your best friend. Whatever it is you decide to talk about, you're going to be good at it because it's going to be something you know about, that you can teach, that you can bring the value. Literally just take out your phone, set it up, make sure you have good lighting, and talk about what it is you know. Make sure you post consistently. Your audience is only going to grow if you keep showing up over and over and over. So post consistently, even if you're not getting the views you expect in the beginning. Keep showing up and keep posting and keep talking. And the key is to provide value. Help people. Teach people something. Share your experiences. That is the key. While you're speaking about what it is you know, make sure you're helping people along the way and you're providing tons of value and actually teaching them something. And that is the magic sauce, y'all, to actually growing your YouTube channel faster. So how to make money two ways. You're going to make money from the YouTube monetization. And the second way, you're going to make money by selling a digital product. When it comes to the YouTube monetization, once you hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours and you get monetized, now you're going to be getting paid from the ads, from your long form content. So every time you show up and you post those videos where you talking like you talking on FaceTime and you bringing the value, you bringing the education, you teaching people stuff, all of the views you get, you're going to get paid from those views as well. And then whatever it is you know that you're talking about, you're going to put that into a digital product that's going to help people, teach them something, and solve a problem. If your digital product is solving a problem in the niche that you're talking about or in the niche that you chose, you're going to put that into a digital form and you're going to market that on your YouTube channel. Your digital product could be in the form of an ebook, a template, a course, a webinar, a guide, and so many other things. Those are just some examples of an actual digital product. So now YouTube is marketing your digital product for free and you're getting paid at the same time just from posting the actual content. And another important factor, building trust. So as you're growing your channel and building trust, once people trust you, they like you, they get to know you, they feel like they can buy from you. So that's the key. People have to trust you. People don't just hop online and buy from random people. They're watching you. Once they trust you and they feel like they know you and you're providing value every day that's free, people trust you and they have no problem spending their money and buying your digital product that's just going to help them even more. So now I'm going to talk about why marketing is key and how the course that I started with, UBC, Ultimate Branding Course, actually helps you in this process. So it's not just about having a digital product, it's about knowing how to sell it. Because what good is the digital product if you don't know how to sell it? You can have the best digital product, the best website, the best everything, and not have marketing skills. And guess what? You may not be able to sell that product. You have to know how to actually market the product and sell the product as well. So once you've chosen a niche, started that YouTube channel, started making videos like you're on FaceTime, talking to a friend, providing tons of value, now you create your own digital product if you would like and you want to. The thing is, you don't have to create a product from scratch. If you want to buy a done from you product, you can also do that. So that way it takes out all of the work of you having to create it from scratch. But the key is, once you have all of these things, you have a product to market. Now you need to learn the skill of marketing. And that's when UBC comes into play. UBC is going to teach you marketing, branding, how to show up online, how to build your personal brand online, how to attract people to you without being salesy, basically how to sell effectively, and so much more, y'all. I started with that exact course back in April 1st to be exact, of 2024, and it completely changed my life. You can go to the video on my page back around that time when I actually posted my very first video on digital marketing on this page and how I had got into this industry and started making money, y'all. And I was blown away. I was blown away by the fact that I was able to make more than my 9-to-5 has ever paid me in a single month by selling a digital product like UBC, y'all. It was absolutely insane, amazing, and I am so blessed, y'all, and thankful to God for everything. But that same exact course that I started with is the same exact course you can start with, y'all, that is just growing in value and just teaching so many different things and teaching you how to show up online and do the things correctly. You not only learn how to sell your own product, but you learn how to actually market UBC if you want to. That is just an added bonus. The course actually teaches you how to market and teaches you the skill of digital marketing no matter what you're selling. But the bonus is, if you would like, you actually can market that course alongside your own digital products. And I'm going to be completely honest right now. The biggest mistake that I see people make is not learning how to market correctly. And guess what happens when you don't learn how to market? You sit with digital products that never sell, because you never learned how to market them. And people have a tendency to not want to step out on faith and invest in themselves to learn marketing. If you really want to make this work and actually sell digital products, sometimes you got to spend money to actually make money. Sometimes you got to invest in your education to learn the things that you need to learn so that you can be successful selling your own digital products. And the last thing I want to talk about is don't overthink. Don't overthink starting a YouTube channel. Don't overthink joining UBC or investing in your education. Don't overthink. Just get started. Don't worry about the editing, the thumbnails, and all of the things you think that you have to do, because that's how YouTube once was. I'm telling you, right now is the time to start, because none of that stuff matters right now. Forget about the aesthetics. Just show up and provide value. Don't try to wait for everything to be perfect. Just start now while it's easy. YouTube is the cheat code for financial freedom right now. If you want to start making money online, start your channel today. Start providing value and start learning how to market. If you need help, check out UBC. I'll have it linked down below. This is the exact course that taught me everything I know and changed my life. If you need help, I also help with coaching and mentoring whenever you invest in yourself with UBC. I also help with that, but you also have the support of the UBC community as well. I went from making a little over $2,000 to having $10,000 months. That is crazy. It's insane, but that is what is possible. I'm only telling you that to tell you what is possible. I started this as a side hustle, praying to God for an extra $1,000, and God said, no, no, no. He had more in store for me, and I have made well over that every single month since I started back in April of 2024. But I did put in the work, y'all. You have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to show up every day, and you have to be willing to keep going. You just have to be willing to do all of those things. If you need payment plans are available. I actually started on a payment plan myself, but the main thing I want y'all to take away from this, start that YouTube channel, get you a digital product, learn marketing, and get going. It's 2025. There's no reason to be broke in 2025. The last thing I want you to do is look back and wish you would have started. If you made it to the end of the video, leave me a happy face emoji. That's it, y'all. Stop overthinking, start the channel, and start making money. I'll see y'all in my next video.